boys and girls. We are ready for our math today. We're talking again about rectangles. We learned about rectangles last week. We did our first page about rectangles. Today we're going to be talking a little bit more about them and about their properties, about how we can describe them and talk about their sides and their vertices. So let's look at this blue rectangle on the front of our paper. If you need to take a minute to get it out and get ready, you can. Just hit pause if you need to get your paper out, and then when you're ready to keep going with me, you can hit play. I want you to take your finger and I want you to trace around this rectangle. Let's see how many sides. This little orange worm is resting on one of the sides of the rectangle. Let's trace around with our finger and count those sides. I see 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 4 sides of this rectangle. What about this little yellow worm? What part of the rectangle is he kind of wrapped around? That little point where 2 sides meet. Do you remember that word? That is a
vertex.
Vertex. That's the vertex where 2 sides meet and make that point. So let's touch and count the vertices. 1, 2, 3, 4. This worm is showing you one vertex. I want you to draw an arrow pointing to another vertex on that rectangle. Draw an arrow and point to one of the other vertices on that rectangle. And then I want you to take your pencil and I want you to trace around the sides of the rectangle. When you're done with that, you can open to the inside. A little more practice with the rectangle. It wants to know how many vertices and how many sides a rectangle has. Let's start with the vertices. Let's draw a circle around each vertex on this rectangle. So we're going to draw a circle here. 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 4 vertices. So you're going to come right down here and you're going to draw a 4. You're going to go down to the middle, across, back to the top, and big line down. There are 4 vertices on a rectangle. Now we're going to trace around and count the sides of the rectangle. So take your pencil and let's trace and count these sides together. See 1, 2, 3, 4. So we're going to come down by the yellow sun and we're going to write another 4. A rectangle has 4 vertices and 4 sides. Remember the difference, a square also has 4 vertices and 4 sides, but what is the difference? In a square, all the sides are the same, but a rectangle has 2 short sides and 2 long sides. That's the difference between the two. Alright, I'm going to give you the directions for the last 2 pages, and then you can go back and do them on your own. On this page, I want you to use these dots to help you draw a small, medium, and large rectangle and color them. So you're going to draw a small one, a medium one, and then a large one and color those rectangles. Then on the back, I want you to listen to this description and draw this shape, okay? I have 4 sides and 4 vertices. 2 sides are short and 2 sides are long. I want you to draw the shape I just described and color it. So on this page, you're going to draw and color a small, medium, and large rectangle. On this page, you're going to draw the shape I described and color it. Do your best work. I will talk to you soon.